In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a section in Webflow in just 5 minutes. Whether you're trying to create a more streamlined experience for your website visitors or simply make some temporary changes while maintaining the integrity of your design, hiding a section can be very useful. Let's dive right into the process to ensure you feel confident in making these adjustments on your Webflow site. First, we'll need to head over to the Webflow website. If you're not already familiar, Webflow is a fantastic visual website builder that allows you to create custom websites with ease. Once you're there, you'll want to locate and click on the Login button. This step will take you to the login screen where you can enter your credentials. If you're new to Webflow, make sure you have your account details handy. You'll be brought to your Webflow dashboard after successfully logging in. Now, with your dashboard open, you'll see a list of projects you've been working on. Click on the specific project that you wish to modify. This action will take you into the project editor where you can make various changes and updates to your design. Once inside your project editor, navigate to the section of the project where you want to make the adjustment. Identifying the right section is key, so ensure you're on the correct part of the page. After selecting the section, look for the settings icon that typically looks like a gear or a tools symbol. Clicking on this will open up a range of options for customizing that particular section. As you delve into the settings, you'll be on the lookout for a heading or option labeled Visibility. This option is indeed what you need to focus on if you're aiming to hide the section. Visibility settings in Webflow allow you to choose and alter when or if a section appears on your page. Once you've found the visibility settings, you can modify them accordingly to ensure the section becomes invisible on your published site whenever necessary. This tweak can be particularly advantageous if you wish to test different layouts or content arrangements without permanently removing sections you might use again in the future. Remember, hiding a section does not delete it. It merely makes it invisible to viewers until you decide to make it visible again. This ensures your work remains intact and readily available for future use or adjustment. Just like that, you now have knowledge on managing section visibility within Webflow, which can greatly enhance your site building and management experience. Happy designing!